everyone again for welcome to the valedictory session. Right, in this valedictory session, I'll not take much time. I'll take only 5-6 minutes. Right, probably 8:20 will start the exam, and it is up to 9. You can use the that link to give the exam. Right, there is no issue. We'll extend the time. And before going to this exam link, in the exam link there are 3 sections are there. In the first section, you have to write your basic information. Right, and in basic information, it may happen that the questions are jumbled. That's why you may get your name first, or somebody may get roll number, their mobile number or affiliation first. Okay. So section 1 is your basic information. Section 2 is your feedback information, right? That is written feedback as specified by our CC NIT Warangal. So you have to rate the question from 1 to 5. 5 is the excellent and 1 is very poor, right? So based upon whatever you feel it, right? And the third one is you have 15 questions and all the questions are MCQ question, and exactly one question answer is correct in each and every question. So you have to click only one, and there is no negative mark. So you can take your time to take time up to 9 p.m. I am extending the time up to 9 p.m. and you can give exam. And before start the exam, I would like to request all the participants to give the oral feedback. Although we are taking the written feedback, so I request all of you. Can anybody if you want to share your experience in this workshop? What is the plus point? What is the minus point? Both part, so that we can improve in our further workshop. So I request any participant who want to give the oral feedback, please unmute and say a few words about this workshop.
Sanjay sir, a very good evening to all. This is Devasrit Das from Bhubaneswar.
Yes, I request all of you to please tell your name and your affiliation so that other people will also know.
Yeah. So I am very thankful to both Sanjay sir and ma'am for your valuable and informative knowledge. We would like to, rather I will be happy and glad to learn more about these things. And I had also suggested in the group that if possible, you can conduct another workshop specifically on artificial neural network and if possible on its implementation in Python. Let's say for 3 to 4 days, but it will be very useful for us.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Any other participant want to give oral feedback?
Good evening, ma'am and sir. Hello. Good evening, ma'am and sir. Myself Pitam Pal, and I was a participant. I am a senior research fellow at Jadavpur University. So, ma'am, it is really very nice and beautiful. All the 5 day session actually, but unfortunately, due to network internet connectivity issue, I could not join 2 or 3 sessions. And yesterday, I was totally absent. Actually, the network connectivity issue is very poor. But the sessions which I attended is really very fruitful. It is really a new domain knowledge for us, for me, and I think for most of the participants. I want to say one thing. Just if you can organize such an online short-term course on artificial intelligence mainly and working basic course on the Python programming, how to solve this, then it will be very helpful for me. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you.
Any other participant?
Yes, I am very much thankful to Dr. Sanjay for the time slot he selected this time. It was very convenient to indulge into this session for us. It's because last time what happened, as we are an office goer, I used to take this mobile and used to talk to my boss, and that meeting sound was ringing in my pocket. Once he asked what happened, is the OTV news going on? That humiliated me much. Now it is perfect. The timing is perfect so that a office goer can go, and also when he comes from the office, he attend all this session. It is a very good time duration that he has selected. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Any other participant?
Yeah, I have attended all these sessions. And, hello, sir. Is it audible?
Yes, yes, sir. Please go ahead, sir.
Currently, I'm attending the content preparation for online delivery mode of teaching workshop, which is conducted by your NIT Warangal. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
I'm very thankful to the NIT Warangal, the organizer of this program. Okay, you have done a great job. Okay. But there is one slight improvement need to be done, or you can take it as a suggestion. Okay. So whatever the
Yes.
animation part, presentations, and how to make the presentations interesting for online mode of teaching, all such things, whatever we are studying and we are coming to know in the content preparation, no, those things must be included, because when you present this much of information, so it will be very difficult to get get hold of the attention of the audience. Other rest of that, other things were okay. It is very well organized.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. We will try to incorporate that. Any other participant?
Good evening. I'm Shudhanshu Bala Das, a PhD scholar from NIT Rourkela. First of all, I would like to thank Sanjay sir and the team that they have arranged this type of workshop. And previous time also, I have attended this short time course here from NIT. It was a really great experience, people like you and the team. And I will like to request you people that in future also, please arrange this type of workshop and short time workshop, so that related to natural language processing and implementation in Python. So it will be helpful for us, like a young researcher, to learn many more things from you people. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Any other participant?
Sanjay sir, I want to add up.
Yes, yes.
One suggestion is there. The period of this training program or workshop, whatever it may be, when it comes with some holidays, like for example, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, both are holidays. So if it covers some holidays in between, then that would be very convenient for us to attend that one.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
So if there is holidays are there in between, then it is very convenient.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much for your suggestion. Any other participant?
Hello, sir. Myself, Srijit. Am I UGC? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Okay, sir. I'm a UGC JRF at CSIR NIST, Trivandrum, Kerala. So actually, this was a very informative section. So I'm a student who's actually I'm a PhD. My PhD is on life science, and I'm using AI on biology. And the sections are very interesting and informative, especially the ANN section, which is really good, and your sections yesterday, that is also really good. Thank you for the sections.
Thank you very much, sir. Any other participant?
Sir, I want to add one thing. If you conduct such type of online short-term course in near upcoming future, that's mainly on the artificial intelligence part and the machine learnings and the deep learning parts, that the concept, the basic concepts, and some hands-on presentation on this to apply the algorithms part, different algorithms, the genetic algorithm, how this in practical situation oriented the softwares needed. Then online, obviously in online mode, so that we can connect in satisfactory situations in homes and learn many things without losing the time of getting the travel for such large distance, though the time is saved. So I hope in near future, upcoming days, you will, sir, both ma'am, sir, you can both will organize such type of online short-term courses. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Pritam. Any other participant want to give?
Can you request Professor Sailaja, please come.
That I'm calling. So I would like to I would like to inform to all the participants that two of our senior faculty members, madam, please unmute. So I would like to mention that two of our senior faculty member is attending this program, although they have also guided in many phases of this particular workshop. One faculty member, both are belongs to electrical engineering department. One is our madam, Professor Sailaja madam. Madam is professor in the department of electrical engineering. Another faculty member is also from electrical engineering department, Dr. C. Venkaya sir. So I request our senior faculty member to please give his valuable suggestion, what is the plus and minus of this particular program, so that we'll try to the drawbacks we can avoid in the further workshop. Madam, please.
Yeah, good evening, Dr. Sanjay, Dr. Manjubala, and other participants. Yeah, it's really been wonderful attending these sessions. I think this is the second workshop I am attending, which is coordinated by Dr. Sanjay Panda. And I also attended one deep learning workshop by Dr. Bala of the computer science department again. Yeah, the good thing with all these online workshops is that though I am in the department for the last 23 years, I could not attend any computer science workshop. Though I was teaching AI techniques in electrical engineering, AI techniques in power system applications for BTech undergraduate as well as postgraduate students, I had no opportunity to attend to the computer science engineering sessions. So I was thinking, yeah, anyway, definitely the way the approach we have and the approach the computer science people have, definitely I can learn more from these people. And I'm not disappointed, definitely. And there is a lot of information which is provided in these workshops. There are no negatives, Sanjaya. I can tell you that, yeah, it's been very informative. Yeah, as you said, you have planned basically for MTech and PhD students, but even for the beginners, the faculty members who are teaching in this area, it is very, very helpful. Even they have included the hands-on sessions, like explain the simple things, and up to the complex, like hybrid networks also have been dealt. So it has really been wonderful attending these sessions. Yeah, it's a great learning experience for me too. Yeah, thank you, Sanjay, for permitting me to attend this workshop. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.